So to enable voice typing on your Galaxy Z Flip 8, then it's very simple. So you can actually use your voice to type. Just tap on this little microphone, and now everything I'm saying is going to be typed for me in whatever application that I'm trying to type in, as you can see. Now, to enable that, you simply go to the keyboard and then tap on settings, or you can go to the long way, you can go to settings, general management, tap on that, and then go to Samsung keyboard settings. Either way, you're going to land on the Samsung keyboard settings page. Now here, you scroll and find voice input, tap on that, and then you can see it's set to Google Voice Typing. If it's set to none, then you won't see that little microphone. So you can see that microphone is no longer here. But if you enable either through Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice, which I think is what you should use because Google has more data, it's much more robust. So once you enable using any of those two options, anytime you're on the keyboard, you will see this little microphone in the bottom left corner, and you can always tap on it and it's gonna type everything you are saying. Thanks for watching and good luck.